What to do in Prague for 3 days. Best Prague Travel Guide 2025. Picture this. You're standing on a medieval bridge. The sun is rising, and the spires of ancient towers are glowing in gold. That's Prague, a city that feels like a fairy tale, but with real history, real food, and real magic. Whether it's your first time or you're back for more, this guide will show you exactly what to do in Prague for 3 days, with routes that make sense, hidden gems, locals love, and tips that save you both time and money. No tourist traps, no confusion. Just a smart plan to experience the best of this incredible city. Let's begin with day 1. And by the way, if you follow this route, you'll see Prague like few travelers ever do. Day 1 Old Town, the Astronomical Clock, and the river. Start your first morning around 9:30, when the city is waking up but still calm. Begin in Old Town Square. This is the heart of historic Prague. The first thing that'll catch your eye is the astronomical clock, over 600 years old and still working. Every hour, little figures come to life and draw crowds. It's touristy, yes, but 100% worth it. Then wander through the cobbled streets behind the square. Stop for a quick breakfast at a local bakery. Try a tradek, that's a warm cinnamon sugar pastry shaped like a hollow roll. It's everywhere, but find a spot that makes it fresh. You'll know by the smell. From there, head toward the river. Walk down Karlova Street, but take a few turns off the main path. You'll find quiet little courtyards, old shops, and some of the most Instagram-worthy corners in the city. By alrededor de las 12, make your way to Charles Bridge. This stone bridge is packed with statues, artists, and musicians. But here's a tip. Walk slowly and look left and right. The views are completely different in both directions. Cross over and you'll be in Malastrana, or Little Quarter. Time for lunch. Find a spot like Lokal Ubile, where you can try real Czech dishes like svichkova beef in a creamy sauce or goulash with bread dumplings. After lunch, explore the narrow side streets. There's a tiny lane near Juluchikejo Seminase that's so small it has a traffic light for pedestrians. Yes, a traffic light just for walking. As the afternoon winds down, head to the Lennon Wall. It's colorful, chaotic, and constantly changing. Take a photo and leave a small message if you like. For sunset, walk up Petring Hill or take the funicular. From the top, you get one of the best panoramic views of Prague. Then, finish your day with dinner by the river. Look for places with terrace seating and local wine. And rest up because day 2 gets even better. Day 2 Prague Castle, hidden gardens, and night magic. Wake up early and get to Prague Castle by 10 de la mañana. The earlier you go, the better. Fewer crowds, softer light, more peace. This isn't just one building, it's a complex. Start with St. Vitus Cathedral. Then walk through the old Royal Palace, the Golden Lane, and the Basilica of St. George. The ticket options can be confusing, but ask for Circuit B, it covers the best parts without taking your whole day. By alrededor de la una, head down the old castle steps into Neruda Street. This road is full of charm, with house signs like golden keys or red lion symbols from before houses had numbers. Grab lunch in this area. A small place like U Magistra Kelly offers cozy vibes and homemade Czech food. After lunch, take a stroll through the Wallenstein Garden. This garden is one of Prague's hidden gems. Peacocks roam freely, sculptures line the paths, and the Baroque design gives it a calm, royal feel. Now head back across the river, this time via Manes Bridge. From here, make your way to Letna Park. This park is less crowded, more local, and has a giant beer garden with a direct view over the river and the city's many bridges. It's a perfect place to relax, have a cold drink, and let the afternoon fade into evening. But don't go home just yet. After dinner, explore Prague by night. Walk through Old Town again. The lights reflecting on the stone streets, the music echoing through alleys. It's like another world. And if you're still awake by las 10 de la noche, take a river cruise. They're peaceful, affordable, and give you a whole new angle of Prague's beauty. Day 3 markets, museums, and local life. On your last day, shift gears a little. Start your morning at the Haska market. This street market is a great spot to pick up souvenirs that aren't mass-produced. Look for wooden toys, hand-painted ceramics, and local honey. Then head to the Jewish Quarter, also known as Josefov. This neighborhood holds deep history. Visit the old Jewish cemetery, the Spanish synagogue, and the Jewish museum. It's quiet and powerful. Take your time. For lunch, explore Dlouha Street. It's known for some of the best modern eateries in the city. Try Sister's Bistro for Czech-style open-face sandwiches, or Nasze Maso, a butcher shop that serves incredible meat dishes right at the counter. In the afternoon, choose one more cultural stop based on your interests. If you love art, the Dog Center for Contemporary Art is bold and modern. If you're into history, the National Museum has everything from prehistoric fossils to modern Czech history. Or, if you just wanna unwind, take a walk along the Vltava River embankment. On weekends, locals set up food stalls, music plays, and the mood is light and festive. As the sun sets on your third day, find a quiet cafe. Try a slice of apple strudel with a Czech espresso. Reflect, look around, because in just 3 days you've lived centuries of stories. Let's quickly summarize your 3-day plan. Day 1, Old Town, Charles Bridge, and river views. Day 2, Prague Castle, secret gardens, and night walks. Day 3, markets, museums, and local life. Prague isn't just a city, it's a feeling, and when you follow a route like this, you don't just check off monuments, you connect with the rhythm of the place. You experience Prague fully, calmly, beautifully, and remember, in the video description, you'll find useful resources that can save you time and money. Below, I've included tools I use myself that might be very useful to you. And if you enjoyed this trip, give it a like and subscribe to continue discovering destinations with an eye toward what really matters.